Hello everyone and welcome to the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium in Madrid. The perfect setting for a clash between two international heavyweights, Spain and Brazil. With 6 World Cup titles between them, both are striving for success at 2 major tournaments this summer. Spain have theirs. And it will be Brazil in the canary yellow and blue to get the game underway here in Madrid. And away we go. And what a soundtrack we have to this fixture. And Nico Williams having a word in Yamal's ear. Jamal to swing it over. Williams. Morata waiting in the middle. And it skids through to Bento. It's been a bright start from Spain. Cucurella's cross. It'll come through to Yamal. But it drifts wide. But Spain really. Rodri waiting for the ball to be delivered. Nico Williams does well. He can send it over now. Really is backs against the wall stuff for Brazil right now. Lamine Yamal. He's got clear of 1, he's got clear of 2, takes a tumble. Well, you can hear what the crowd thought about that. But Lamine Yamal fouled inside the area. And Rodri. It's Rodri. It's 1-0. In the battle of the 2 international heavyweights, it is Spain who land the first telling blow at the Bernabeu. Upon his return to the team, Rodri makes absolutely no mistake. Morata to Lamine Yamal. He loves to cut in from this right-hand side on that left. Yamal goes for goal. And we have seen him score to come forward with Rodrigo. Looks to get clear of Carvajal. Vinicius Junior. Simon well placed to make the save, but it's the first shot in anger that Brazil have had in the 17th minute. Clipped in by Yamal. Williams here looking menacing again. Has found a way through somehow, but pokes wide. Carvajal getting there ahead of Vinicius Junior. And off goes Lamine Yamal. Morata making his way into the area. It's bypassed him. Williams laying it off for Ruiz. Pounds on that loose back pass as well. Twisting and turning, he goes down. The referee says free kick. It'll be just outside the area. It's Dani Olmo. There's Rafinha to swing it over with pace. Won by Wendell, but Olmo is there and juggles it away from Beraldo. Oh, brilliant from Lamine Yamal. Oh, off he goes. This is wonderful. Well, the end result is a goal kick, but what a marvel. Magical from the 16-year-old. Look at that. leaving several Brazilian players in his wake. Vinicius Junior, can he find a way through for Rodrigo? Olmo, looking to get Nico Williams in behind. We know he's got the pace. Even with a much changed team, you would have expected. Oh, that's a cheap giveaway that could have been disastrous. Lamine Yamal very nearly scored. He's found him this time. A lot of work for Olmo to do. It's Olmo! It's brilliant! Spain extend their lead. Dani Olmo with the goal. He had so much work to do, but somehow found a way through. And found the perfect finish. Brazil 2-0 down at the Bernabeu. When you see Spain perform, I'll come back to that in a moment. That's a costly error, and Spain are back in it. Rodrigo. What on earth was going on back there? Brazil handed a gift. Unai Simon makes the apologies, but Rodrigo strikes in his home stadium. And it's Spain 2, Brazil 1. Lamine with the back pass. Simon for a second time gets it back and gave it straight to Rodrigo. Morata. Rodri! Oh, what a save from Bento. Goodness me, that was travelling. That was a ferocious hit from Rodri. Lamine Yamal, outside of the boot. He's got everything. From Lamine, there's Carvajal. So a whole flurry of changes, and there is Endrick, the hero of Wembley a few days ago, and this place will soon be his home. One of those making way at half-time, and Brazil on the break. Vinicius Junior, Endrick on the scene, he couldn't get hold of it, and it's wide from Paqueta. Digs out the cross looking for Williams. Rodri! Looking for another. Swing it in there. There's Carvajal. And Morata waiting to pounce. Whistle had gone. And Fabrizio Bruno also. There's Endrick! The boy wonder strikes again and scores at the Bernabeu. The place which he will soon call home. A stunning start to the second half. The boy wonder at it again. What a talent, what a strike. And Brazil all square. That is not easy. The ball is behind him when he strikes it, but when he does, it's hard and true. Break. Rodrigo is away from Laporte and making a beeline for goal. And so close to putting Brazil in front. And Spain struggling to contain this. Endrick down. Endrick waiting to retake to the field, and there he goes. Little flick down the line there from Dani Olmo, and off goes Lamine Yamal. Fabrizio Bruno got a touch on it. Spain corner. Fizzed into Olmo from Fabian Ruiz. Olmo! Comfortable enough for Bento. Lamine Yamal, a long way out. Fabian Ruiz outside of the boot. It's Rodri. It's Nico Williams. Lamine Yamal. Williams waiting in the middle. Olmo's in there as well. He's trying every trick in the book, Lamine Yamal, to try and weave his way infield. For attack on here, Vinicius Junior with Endrick to his right. Can he make it, the youngster? Well, Rodrigo on the move. Endrick tried to flick it back into his forward here. It's Beraldo leading the charge and he takes it on. Correa with the pullback. It's Ruiz. Goodness me, it's like shooting. Paraguay and Costa Rica as Endrick releases Vinicius Junior, but Unai Simon. Vinicius Junior robbed of it by Lamine Yamal. Smuggling it through for Morata. Look how many red shirts are getting. Can he find a gap? He can, but it's straight at Endrick. He's found a way around Lenormand. He felt he was fouled there, Endrick, but the referee... Yamal. Faced by a couple. Can he find a way? Not quite. Can he pick out the right cross? He's teed it back there for Rodri. Olmo! Good save by Bento. He's lost grasp of the ball. And Carvajal was sniffing out an opportunity. Lamine Yamal. Can he serve up something special? Endrick. A collision off the ball between Endrick and Cucurella. And a 17-year-old is booked. Lamine Yamal, it's a peach of a pass for Carvajal. He takes a tumble. The referee looking to his assistant. It is another penalty. And we may well get a winner at the Bernabeu. The Brazil bench. It's Rodri. It's emphatic. It is Spain 3, Brazil 2. Where would they be without this man? Pep Guardiola says he's the best midfielder in the world, and who are we to argue? Pereira. Oh, Lamine Yamal, wonderful. Lamine Yamal, listen to the noise as soon as this young fella gets on the ball. The volume goes up immediately. Olmo, Sansé! Not far off from being fought. Lamine Yamal goes off to a standing ovation. And no wonder, what a display from that young man. And they might get one. Paqueta! Delivered into the middle. Galeno is in there. Penalty Brazil! With only seconds remaining, Brazil awarded a penalty kick. Has delivered a thriller. Can Paqueta make it 3-3? He can! Dorival Junior's reign looks as though it will start without defeat. Victory at Wembley just a few days ago, and Brazil look as though they'll leave the Bernabeu with a draw. They were 2-0 down, 3-2 down, and now it is 3-3. And that is it. It was virtually the last kick of the game. Arguments going on all over the place. Dorival Junior and Luis de la Fuente share an embrace. What a game. Spain and Brazil have served up at the Bernabeu.